Hey everybody, this is what you need to know about crypto airdrops today. There's a lot happening, so let's jump right in, starting with the Linea experience points. So today it seems like Linea has started sending experience points as an ERC20 token to people's wallets, and they kind of started doing it stealthily. There wasn't even a major announcement on their Twitter page from what I can see. But people have started noticing that the Linea Voyage experience points are being minted and sent directly to your wallet. So this is great because you don't actually have to claim anything or spend any gas fees. They're literally just dropping it into your wallet. Now this morning when I first checked, I hadn't received any yet. And what you need to do to check it is to copy the token contract address and then go to your MetaMask or whatever crypto wallet you're using and then click import and paste it in. But I've already done that, and in the meantime, since I first checked, I actually received the experience points for this demo wallet here, as well as a couple of other wallets that I'm using. So do check your wallets. If you participated in the Linea Voyage and you did the proof of humanity, which I reminded people a week or two ago that you had to do to actually get the points, well, now you'll have them in your wallet. Just copy and paste this contract address and you'll be able to see the balance. And so currently these Voyage XP tokens are non-transferable soulbound tokens. So while you can see the balance in your wallet, you can't actually transfer them or do anything with it for now. But of course, there's a lot of speculation that this is going to be rolled over into an airdrop or converted for an airdrop at some point soon. So congratulations to everybody that went through the ridiculous Intract Linea Voyage quest and completed all of these dumb quests. They were super annoying and expensive to do. And at least now we're getting something for it. And that something is more points. All right, next up, let's move to the topic of the STRK or the STRK token airdrop, because there's been a lot of news recently. They've been testing stuff out. They've been testing the bridge. And recently it looks like they tested the claim. So the token claim testing was happening. And if you look at the blockchain explorer for the STRK token, you can see that they were doing a bunch of tests and claiming various amounts. Nobody knows if these amounts that they tested actually correlate to what people are going to get, but it looks like there was 7 different levels of distribution, with 800 STRK tokens being the minimum, going all the way up to 43,000 tokens. So we'll see whether or not this is actually the different tiers for the STRK token airdrop. But honestly, this better be happening soon because they've been hinting and teasing and testing for so long, and I am foaming at the mouth to get into this one. All right, next up, let's talk about a meme coin airdrop that is happening right now on the Solana network. So this meme coin is the WEN token. It was created by the founder of the Jupiter exchange, and they're using it to test their launch pad for airdrop claiming because the Jupe token is dropping in about 5 days. So everybody that has transacted, I think, with $5 or more on the Jupiter exchange at some point, or has done a bunch of other things like hold specific NFT collections, bought droplets on Drip House, well, basically most people that ever do stuff on the Solana network qualify for the WEN airdrop. I think 1 million wallet addresses were eligible. So if you go to the website, hit claim airdrop, it opens up in the launch pad, and then you can see how many tokens you're eligible for. It looks like pretty much everybody is getting the exact same number, which is 643,000 WEN tokens. And after I claimed my WEN token airdrop and went to check out my portfolio on SonarWatch, there was a faulty price oracle that showed I was a billionaire many times over. Unfortunately, that's not the case. However, it's still worth a decent amount and it's definitely worth claiming. And if you try to sell it now, it looks like the price per claim amount is hovering around $37. So not bad for free money and a meme coin. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna hold it and see what happens because a lot of the token supply is going to be burned. All of the tokens that aren't claimed by the 29th of January at 3 a.m. UTC are going to be burned. So who knows what's gonna happen with this one. It's a meme coin, it's free money, but if you qualify, you might as well go claim it. I got it on a couple of different wallets, so hey, free money is free money. That's my motto. Okay, another update is related to Mantle and Layer 0 because there's currently a vote live on the Stargate DAO page. So if you hold and stake Stargate or STG tokens, then you can vote in this, and it's to deploy the METH token or Mantle ETH onto the Stargate protocol. So I'm a huge fan of METH, the token, not the other thing, but I recommend anyone that has STG tokens should go and cast a vote, because by voting on the Stargate DAO page, it's possible that that could be a qualifier for the Layer 0 airdrop. So anytime there's a vote live here, I recommend going and casting a vote. And if you're not yet holding and staking at least one STG token, I recommend that you do it. There still probably is time because the CEO of Layer 0 has said that the token probably won't drop until closer to June of this year. So buy at least one token, stake it on the Stargate Finance page, and then you can vote in these proposals. And that way, if that's a qualifier for the Layer 0 airdrop, at least you've ticked that box. Okay, another update is from the DMail network, and they have an announcement from this morning, or no, yesterday, about their official DMail token allocation. So they deployed the DMail token contract. It's going to be on the Binance chain, and 6% of the total supply is going to be dropped in 2 seasons. Now, I feel like this is going to be pretty diluted because a lot of people are using DMail to create transactions on different networks and sort of spam different messages. But I have a previous tutorial showing how to use DMail, and they have a point system where you can mint NFTs as well and get points for sending messages on different networks. So if you are trying to farm the DMail airdrop, there's some useful information in here. Now, regarding the Dimension airdrop, which remember is going to people that staked a minimum of 1 TIA token as of December 17th, they haven't actually released any announcements since the claim period closed, and they've been pretty silent on Twitter for the last few days. An article came out quoting the Dimension CEO saying that mainnet is very close and talking about how there's going to be a boom in rollups. So that's why I'm going to be staking my Dimension tokens as soon as I receive them. So we're still waiting with anticipation for the Dimension token to actually drop, but I'm hoping that it's actually going to be quite soon, like maybe next week. And 2 final airdrop updates for you today. The Chroma Quest. This is the last time I'm going to mention this, but it's ending now in 2 days on January 28th. So you are running out of time to participate in this, but there's a bunch of things that you can do very easily and pretty much for free. So even if you just go through and do the stuff on Twitter or, buy one NFT and set up a profile on their Crew social app, but there's some very simple tasks that you can do here. It won't take you that much time, and you can collect points for the Chroma airdrop as well as mint these NFTs. So you're running out of time to do this. This is going to be the last time I mention it, but if you want to participate in this, Chroma is an Ethereum layer 2, and they're probably going to be dropping a token, and it's possible that the Galaxy points and NFTs that you get from this campaign are going to directly correlate to the amount of an airdrop that you get. And finally, I wanted to talk about this poll that I posted on Twitter. By the way, if you're not following me on Twitter, you should be, because not only do I post a lot, but sometimes I post time-sensitive alpha over there. But yesterday, I posted a poll asking people if they would rather have 1,000 tokens or 1 million tokens, assuming that the airdrop dollar value was exactly the same. And the vast, overwhelming majority of people, almost 75%, 73.1% of people say that they would rather have 1,000 tokens. I was kind of surprised by that. I thought more people would want to have the 3 extra zeros, but there's something in here about mass psychology that I find quite interesting. And somebody that's smarter than me could probably pull some interesting takeaways from this. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you found this helpful, and I'll see you later.